Sometimes you realize that so-called maturity is just learning to yawn gracefully on the edge of a breakdown. When we were young, we thought the world was black and white. Any little mess would make us want to tear someone's slippers apart, fighting tooth and nail for right and wrong, win or lose. Later we became smoother, licking our lips and swallowing the words we wanted to say. Even if the road ahead looks blurry, we know to keep quiet and keep going. After all, no one cares how lonely the back of the person riding away on a bike looks. We learn to watch others' faces carefully, like staring at a basin of foot washing water, afraid to say the wrong thing. In the end, we realize that what truly heals you is never those fake pleasantries, but a warm shoulder to lean on. After a long day, even just a second of peace